Presenting Classic Bar Stool by Urban. The box contains chrome base, gas lift, footrest, Allen bolts, Allen key, and seat cushion. Insert the gas lift into the center hole. Place the seat upside down. Keep the footrest in this direction. Connect footrest and seat cushion. Tighten Allen bolts using Allen key. Hold the seat cushion upright. Align center hole over the gas lift. Push seat cushion down to secure connection. Press up the lever to allow the seat to rise. Press the lever with body weight to allow seat to lower.